This is Census. Reporting for about 30 minutes, the German intelligence agency stopped a Russian attempt to assassinate Stefan Tuman, an executive at German drone startup DonauStahl. It is said that it started in December 2025 when an agent recruited by Russia began scouting around Stefan Tuman's private residence in Straßkirchen, Bavaria, and taking photos. In fact, there were several attempts to assassinate Stefan Tuman. The Russian intelligence agency continued to recruit agents through social media to carry out the attack. Luckily, before the assassination attempt, German intelligence tracked down the agents and, with Spain's help, arrested 2 in Spain and Germany. After hearing the news, DonauStahl executives canceled all official appearances and are now under German intelligence protection. DonauStahl is a defense company that, with the approval of the German government, supplied various drones to Ukraine. Since Ukraine has been making excellent use of drones, it seems that there was an attempt to assassinate the executives of DonauStahl to stop this. However, the German intelligence agency disclosed that Russia's assassination operations are ongoing. In fact, on June 11th, a large amount of explosives was discovered in a truck traveling from the Serbia-Hungary border area to Bavaria, Germany. Serbian police confirmed this and arrested the truck driver. After checking the mobile phone records, it was found that there were indications of direct instructions being exchanged with officials from Russian intelligence agencies. It seems that Russia is conducting operations across Europe more extensively than expected.